Listen, on the rare occasion that I go to Wingstop, Louisiana Rub is my go-to, and you know it's flats all day. Let me show you how it's done in my air fryer. Let's whip it up. So you know when you paint a car, you gotta hit with that base coat first, that primer. That's what this is right here. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get this together, and then we're gonna hit our chicken wings with a little bit of oil. This is probably a little bit under 2 pounds of chicken wings. We're gonna go ahead and season it up like our life depends on it, and go ahead and mix it up and make sure it's well covered up and well coated like mine is right here. We're gonna load it up in our air fryer at about like 385 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 17 minutes until it's nice and beautiful. Meanwhile, we're gonna work on that other seasoning. Okay, this is our dry rub right here that is absolutely amazing. This is our Louisiana rub, okay, our copycat. And this is our chicken and how it's looking fresh up out that air fryer. Oh, so beautiful and crispy. Go ahead and hit it with about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter, that Louisiana rub seasoning, a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. Toss it up and you're ready to plate up and bust down. And you can't tell me this right here does not look absolutely amazing. And guess what? It tastes even better than it looks, baby. This right here is a 10 out of 10. You ain't got to eat out no more. Go ahead and whip this up in your kitchen, load up that air fryer and get it done. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.